Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today's look is going to be a fantasy makeup tutorial, so let's go ahead and get started. For this look, I'm using the Morphe 35B, and I'm going to be applying the colors right next to each other and then blending everything together. You guys can see the process as it goes. When applying the eyeshadow, I go ahead and apply the colors, almost merging them, so when I blend everything together, it gives that beautiful rainbow effect. After blending everything together, we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on our other eye. And after we have everything blended and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and grab a white base paint and we're going to start drawing our clouds. For this look, we're going to need a small rounded flat brush and we're going to go ahead and start drawing our clouds on our eyes. It's mainly going to be just 3 clouds, so we're going to go ahead and draw a main bigger cloud on our lid, and then we're going to proceed to doing 2 smaller ones on top of the lid. And we're going to be setting our clouds by using the white eyeshadow from our palette. Okay guys, so for the cloud on my lid, I did finish up turning it into a cut crease just because I didn't like how it looked on my eye. And let me remind you guys, I have hooded eyes, so it's a little bit harder to style certain things on them, but you can make anything happen. This is a fantasy makeup look, so you can kind of just do anything you want on it. Like if you want to do clouds, you can do clouds. If you want to do a cut crease, you can. So it just kind of goes on whatever you're doing. After completing both eyes, we're going to go ahead and add some liner and a nice pair of lashes. And we're going to go ahead and highlight our face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using the color Unicorn. So for this section of the video, you guys are going to be following me through on how I repeated the process of my eyes on my cheeks. off this look, I went ahead and started adding some details and a couple stars around the clouds just to make it look cuter. After that, we're going to go ahead and do our lips, and for our lips I picked a pinkish lightish color just because I didn't want to do it too bright or too light, so I kept it like a chiffon pink. And we're going to be using the NYX lip cream, and to top it off we're going to be using an LA Colors lip gloss. Well guys, this completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. And remember that all the products used for this video are going to be listed in the description box. And I'll go ahead and see you guys on our next video. Bye!